Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue which was before Delhi IT bench, and the issue was that if some assessee receives interest from a builder where the assessee has requested the builder to cancel the allotment because the builder is not able to deliver the project on time and the builder is not able to give the delivery of the flat to the assessee on time, and due to cancellation of that project or that allotment the builder pays some interest to the assessee. So whether that interest is in the nature of income or it is a capital receipt, this issue has been taken up by the Delhi ITAT in the case of Atul Sharma versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 174 taxman.com 290, and the date of the judgment is 13th November 2024. The present case relates to the assessment year 14-15. In the present case, the assessee has applied for a flat with the builder JP Greens Greater Noida. JP Greens Greater Noida is a builder. The assessee made the payments for the purchase of the flat. The flat was not delivered to the assessee on time, so the assessee applied for the cancellation of the allotment. When this allotment was cancelled, the assessee applied for the refund of the money which was given by the assessee to the builder, and ultimately the builder paid interest to the assessee on the payments which the assessee has made to the builder. Now the question arises that whether this amount of interest received by the assessee is taxable or not. When the assessee filed the return, the assessee showed this interest as a capital receipt and did not offer this compensation in the nature of interest to tax. The scrutiny assessment was taken up for the assessee, and it was alleged that the assessee has not shown this interest as his income. The assessee pleaded that this is not in the nature of interest, this is in the nature of damages and compensation, because there was harassment of the assessee and the assessee has to lose his right to use the property. So it is not interest, and practically it is damages and compensation. The assessee also said that section 2 clause 28A talks about the interest only in the nature of loans or some debt incurred, and since the assessee has not given any loan or debt to any person, so this is not in the nature of interest as per section 2 subsection section 2 clause 28A. But the assessing officer was not convinced and made the addition. The CIT appeal also upheld that the interest received is in the nature of income. When the matter came before the tribunal said that in the present case it is very clear that the assessee is not allotted the flat, and the assessee has applied for the cancellation of the flat, and since the assessee was deprived with the possession of the flat, so the compensation has been given to the assessee, and in the present case the interest was merely a convenient method to calculate the amount of the compensation in order to standardize it. The tribunal categorically said that in the present case the assessee, that is the allottee, loses the right to use that house, and there was a harassment caused to the assessee for which the assessee has been awarded the compensation in the form of interest. The tribunal once again said that in the present case interest is only a convenient way of calculating the damages, but it is not in the nature of interest, and ultimately deleted the addition. Friends, this case is a very big relief to the persons who apply for some flats or some commercial properties with the builders, and already they are suffering a lot due to the non-commitment of the builders in delivering the flats on time. And if they receive some compensation after a long fight, and if the revenue takes a very big pie of 30% in the form of tax, so that is a big blow to the assessee. So this case is a big relief to the assessee, and it says that the interest on compensation for which the assessee has not been allotted the flat and which is given by the builder to the assessee is in the nature of compensation or damages, and it is not interest. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Atul Sharma versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax. And this case is reported in 174taxman.com 290 and the date of the judgment is 13th November 2024. Thank you, friends.